forest for the trees. Watch your head.
Use your head, Jack. Sorry. It's 23-foot diameter. It's that truck that's coming out of the side of the car. Fire mark. When they installed this one, they did not think about it. Especially because I'm tall, but I think anybody would have trouble.
What are you looking at, Lincoln?
I'm trying to get up on
Show me this.
I see. Yeah. Look at that one.
Is this the top?
Oh, you see some.
I don't know if camera does it justice.
I don't think it does.
How awesome they are.
That's taller than the picture.
I don't know if they are. I don't think so. He did.
Plus, even if it's close in height, it's not near as round. Or maybe close. There's a lot of big trees.
You want to hug the tree line?
No.
Do it so
You
that
can get
way.
your arms around it. Go gadget arms.
If he falls from here, it's gonna pull me down. Stop trying to push me. Stop.
All right, now help him.
No, I don't need help. I don't need help.
Brady, where you at? Look over this way.
Adventures Brady's back.
Brave Brady.
If I broke something, you would literally just be recording me
Yeah.
instead of. I think you did.
There's like a nest right above your head or something.
Oh,
Alright, let's go.
maybe hopefully it's not there.
I don't think they have a nest. Dens, yes. I don't.
There's plant trees, I think.
Yeah.
They don't live in trees.
This is like, and I know I've said it before, this is otherworldly. Some of the hikes that we end up on, this is called Big Tree, or Big Tree Wayside. And we are on a, kind of an offshoot from that. This is just a circle. I think it's called the Circle Loop. It's like the whole loop is like half mile. There's other people out here, but we haven't seen any for a little bit. I know my mom and dad will be watching this. They're like, what are you thinking about out there? Here, I'll try to record them. Now be careful because there's a group down here, Brady. Brady, don't look at my head.
Justin,
Brady went way down here.
we have a problem.
What?
Ah!
I think I broke something on the walk down.
We got a tour group coming up here and I'm trying to stay out of their way. It's all amazing. Amazing. Caca! This guy wants our food. He's flown over twice.
Wow.
I love having a car picnic.
I like it.
Here, Brady.
I need water. Water.
Crow's still waiting. He's waiting to pounce. He has been circling the car. the other day we made some peanut butter sandwiches, and we had some left. So we put them back in the bag and sealed them up. We got some new bread. The boys got a sandwich. Carrie and I decided we'll leave the old ones.
What?
And look, not only is it an old sandwich, which is still good, it's very seasoned, but I also got a butt piece. So, can't complain. Very good. I like my peanut butter seasoned on the butt. Every little bit he comes, he just like stares at me. He sees me eating. Come on, get out of here, go.
I'm an adult now.
Only 0.3 miles. We've almost walked 0.3 miles on this trail.
Good. That's point three up there.
It's just
Hey, look, there's another hollow tree.
ooh, wow, that's hollow all the way up. Look at that.
Well, not all the way.
Almost.
8.3 miles.
Can't see anything, just stare at the sun.
Hey, let's climb up this log.
Oh no.
And then it starts like the liquid, which is added on to my plate. Yes, I am. No, there's multiple plates. It's designed.
I go through that.
I want multiple.
Right up above that.
Where?
That is very
Oh.
There too.
Oh, way over there?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
There's one. The other two, are they gone?
No, they're just a little further in there.
They're like this in the big 6 cities.
Hey guys, look over there. Look over there now. They're all together.
Where? Oh, wow. That's 5 of them. 5? There's 6 of them.
Oh, maybe more. 7.
6
6, 7.
You coming this way? They look like you're coming this way.
Oh, they are.
There.
He's behind us.
Bare necessities.
Look, they're coming closer. They're feeding. All that. Dinner time.
I'd love for them to ran that man.
You.
What's your
They kind of scared away, I think. The car.
Northwest
Oh, they just keep coming this way.
Keep getting closer to us.